looks like a mouth turned up in a smile, or how you might cheer after running a mile. Wise keep all friends dear in their heart, staying connected even when far apart. Friends turn to wise when they are in need. Do wise go out of their way to help? Yes, indeed. Wise yearn to get rid of old stuff that is yucky, more proof that knowing them is definitely lucky. By clearing a space, there is room for the new. Getting rid of old stuff will help break through routines that might get in the way. Wise resolve to do better each day. No goal for them is just pie in the sky. If you knew a why kid, you would